Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and that's Angela. Say hi, Angela. We just witnessed some guy trying to kill his kid. He hit the collapsible thing and almost ran over. It's funny. But we are here in front of the iconic lion here, the San Diego Zoo. Here in, what city is this? Oh, San Diego.
California.
How novel. The name of the city is the name of the zoo. Anyway. Here in California, never been here before, so she's been here a couple times back in the day. I'm sure it hasn't changed a lot in 20 some odd years, has it?
I don't know. We
Probably
just
not.
got the gate.
Is that right? So we're about to find out. We're going to go inside here and check it out. And, hopefully you come on with us. We'll show you some things that we kind of liked about this zoo. And maybe, just maybe, this might be a zoo that we can make a full video of. We'll see what kind of videos we get inside. If not, we might add some videos of some other things at the end. So stay tuned. You never know what's going to happen. Make it some bonus material. Bonus. So anyway, come along with us because we're just out here living.
The coolest life.
Zoo edition. Well, we're in, and now they conveniently leave the price off of these tickets because at $74 per person, it is the highest priced zoo I've ever been to in my entire life, and we've been to a lot of zoos. It's twice as much as any other zoo I've been to in my entire life. So it was $140 for two of us. Military discount is nothing more than if you're active duty only. Veterans, no, you get nothing, zero. But they do offer a AAA discount, which is 10% off. I almost just joined AAA just for that. But anyway, let's go and see what else we can find. And that bug looks a bit prickly.
What is vampire crab?
No, it's not. It's a stick bug. And the one voted most likely to be eaten on an episode of Fear Factor, Madagascar hissing cockroach. He's about 3 inches long. They're disgusting. Check out this one he's eating. Oh yeah. So I didn't come in focus. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah. Good looking cuss. They've done a really good job with the display here. I mean, it's like everything's really clean, real nice in this facility. This is, hey, yeah, I know her. So, and they've got a research type area that's here. Like this one here is the giant African millipede. He's right down there in the corner. Right there, yeah. And here's the beetles. Taxi cab beetle. I wonder how they got that name. Ooh, those two are like on top of each other. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah. Cool. Nice area. Yep. Got another ride. Yay. Going all the way across the park. I can see our carp out here. Okay. Big place, to say the least. Hope to see a giraffe's neck, but didn't see one. Yeah, we're still up high heading out, but we don't drop this camera. You can see downtown from here. Ooh. That sure is a furry pig. What are they called? Chacoa Pacari. They're not really as thick as most pigs, are they? They're kind of thin. Interesting. Let's look at different static displays. It shows you how big the animals can be, like this one. See that polar bear? They're big, like Kodiak bear size. They're huge. This was life size. Yeah, they got big pandas here. I think they're known as the giant pandas. Cool. There's another one in here somewhere, but that one's pretty obvious where he's at. Good stuff. That's why we go to the zoo. And that is a big silverback. It's probably about 300 pounds. There's another one over there. He's probably about 220.
Yes, thank you so much.
Nice.
Do you want me to take one of you guys?
Yeah. They do have some really cool habitats. Like here's one, this leopard. Walking back and forth. Actually, says jaguar. Guess the spot's a little closer together than leopard, huh? Camels. What day is it? It's hump day! It actually is hump day. It's Wednesday for us. It's awesome. Kind of a cool habitat, a little different. Keeps on going and going, except for his neighbors there. See those guys? Let's get a little closer. Yep. Guess they get along with them, huh? See, there's a clip singer around here somewhere. If you don't know what it is, it looks sort of like this. Yeah. One of those. Just kind of hanging around. Here's causing a ruckus a little bit ago. I see two others in there.
Yeah, but they do a good job where it looks like...
Another one down there, huh? There he is. He's tall. He's about 16, 17 feet. Down there is. I wish more zoos would do this and take note. This big rhino here. Let's see. 2,000 pounds? He's huge. He's probably, I don't know, 5.5 feet tall at the top of his back. And but they put the feeding stuff right next to the fence, so they got to come up to feed. Check out this. If you're a flower fan, oh, I see this is bird of paradise flower or something like that. I thought it was a crane with a crown on his head. Nice. Look over there. Cool stuff. And you can smell them too. Just can't quite get that on video.
They were rescued from something called the bush meat trade, where they were either being sold as pets, sometimes unfortunately, even as food from time to time.
Yeah, I'm on top of the bus.
But if you
Bus
grabbed a
tour.
paper map, or you downloaded the San Diego Zoo app on your phone, they can see about 20 meters down, which is crazy because those waters are dark and cold. A lot of people wonder though, how do you keep your polar bears cool here in San Diego? Well, that pool is going to be 40 minutes north from where we are right now. And if any of you have cats back at home, these just sleep just as much as your kitty cats. They sleep for about 16 to 20 hours every single day. They want to conserve as much energy as they possibly can for when they're not looking.
So closing out the day from the zoo, we're down here at someplace special. We're too close to the Pacific Ocean not to come visit it. So guess where we are? Anybody? Hope I spelled everything right. Yep, California. And according to her, it's a little cool here. If it's cool to her, it's definitely cool to me. Good thing I have my windbreaker on. Well, that was a good time at the zoo. Really enjoyed the zoo. It's actually one of the best zoos in the country. Probably top 5, if not number 1. It's got everything you want. You name the animal, basically they got it, except those real obscure ones. Everything from lemurs and hippos, and they got all the big pachyderms. Giraffes, they have plenty of those. Polar bears. I didn't see a walrus. I wonder if they got a walrus. That might be the only thing that they don't have. But SeaWorld's got a walrus. Which is SeaWorld from here is about 2-hour drive. It's a 2.5-hour drive. It's in San Diego. Well, this isn't San Diego. So yeah, I guess from the zoo it's probably about 15 minutes. So that's right, SeaWorld is. So anyway, it was a good time there. I really enjoyed it. I liked the fact that it was close to the beach, so we could go get ourselves a get some beach time in, even though it was sunset and the water was a little bit cold. But it was a good time. Thanks for following along with us here at Coolest Life. And about all I got to say about that. We're going to be doing some traveling in the spring. We're going to go up the coast, so be sure to stay tuned for that. We're going to go up the coast of California and go all the way up through Oregon. Be staying a week at each park. So not only will I be doing a park review, but I'm going to be doing different things or what's going on around the area. So that should be cool. So anyway, come along, join us, because you're now leaving the Coolest Life travel edition.